Hello, hello, come and see. It's time to help with chores with me. Clap your hands and sing along. Helping at home is fun and strong. Pick up toys one by one. Cleaning up is lots of fun. Blocks and dolls go in their place. Big happy smile on Bee's face. Clean up, help out every day. Little chores in a big way. We work together, me and you. Helping feels so good to do. Pull the blanket, smooth it down. Pillow up, no frowns around. Tidy bed, both neat and sweet. Helping feels like quite a treat. Clean up, help out every day. Little chores in a big way. We work together, me and you. Helping feels so good to do. Wipe the table nice and clean. Shiny surfaces can be seen. Plates and cups go where they belong. Helping hands make us feel strong. Socks together match the pair. Fold the clothes with loving care. Basket full, job well done. Chores with Bee are always fun. Clean up, help out every day. Little chores in a big way. We work together, me and you. Helping feels so good to do. Every room, big or small, we can help, yes, one and all. Helping makes our home feel bright. Everything feels warm and right. Clean up, help out every day. Sing and smile along the way. Thank you, home, for all we do. We love helping, yes we do. Clap, 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 chores complete. Helping makes our hearts feel sweet. Wave goodbye and sing hooray.